Hi foodies, I'm Samantha and today I'm going to review some candy. This is Neru 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 Ne. It's a Japanese DIY candy. I chose the color blue because blue is my favorite color and this is in colorful ramune flavor. Ramune flavor is a sweet soda that's popular in Japan. It's very delicious. Now let's look in more detail at the packaging. As you can see, it's from the brand Kracie. In the back we have some instructions here. There's 4 steps. I can't read any Japanese, but the pictures look very helpful and I think we can do this. And I looked it up what Neru 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 Ne means. Neru 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 Ne means kneading and mixing candy, which is exactly what we will do today. And there's also a warning, there's an egg allergen in this, so be careful about that. Now let's check it out. I opened it up already and there are 4 parts. Powder number 1, powder number 2, and powder number 3. Then there's this little plastic tray with a detachable water tray with 5 cc water, a big part and a small part, like this character part. Cute. Then there's this little spoon which makes me look like a giant, which I love. That's great. So let's make it. Step 1. We have powder number 1 and a tray and a spoon. And here we have the detachable water tray, which I will remove right now. Here I already removed the little tray, the water tray, as you can see. And we're going to put this powder into the big bowl. It's a white powder that smells like lemon, and I read natrium carbonate is in this, so it will react together with the water, which we will put in now. We have to put exactly 5 cc of water in this. I prepared the water beforehand. Let's put it in. And now let's put the water in the tray. As you can see, there's nothing yet, but now we will do what this candy is all about. Neru 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 Ne, which is mixing and kneading candy. We're mixing and it's turning yellow, which is the reaction of the lemon to the natrium powder. We're mixing and here, as you can see, it's very lemony and very jelly-like, liquidy. It became harder, but still a very liquid consistency. Now let's go on to part 2. Now we're doing part 2, which is putting this powder number 2 into the big tray again. It's a blue powder, which is great because I love blue, and it's kind of like glittery blue. And now let's mix it. Again, Neru 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 Ne, Neru 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 Ne. And it's becoming very sticky and it's mixing. It's not becoming green like I thought it will be. It's very light blue and marshmallow consistency I can see here. You know that marshmallow that you can spread on your bread? That's exactly what it is. just blue, which is better, in my opinion. Everything blue is better. As you can see, it's sticky, and the more you mix it, the more it reacts and the stickier it gets. It's very fun. I would love this if I was a child, and I am a child at heart, so I'm in love with this. Yes. Now let's go on to part 3 after we have the perfect consistency. Now we are going to do part 3, which is putting this last powder, powder number 3, into the little character tray. Oh, it's not a powder, it's little cute sugar balls. I have to try one. It's just sugar balls with a little fizziness, like fizzy candy, which I think would be great with this marshmallow. And now is the fun part. Dipping the candy, marshmallow candy, into the sugar parts. Let's do this. Let's take a scoop and dip it in. And now we have to try it. Here. Let's see how it tastes. It's exactly what I thought it will be. It's a little bit more delicious actually. It's like ramen flavored marshmallow with fuzzy candy. The fuzziness of the candy makes it a little better, in my opinion, and I love it. Would I eat it again? Yes. Why? Because I'm a little child at heart. Every child would love this. Making it, eating it. Does it taste healthy? No, I would not recommend it for healthy people. It's not a healthy candy. It's a very children's candy, and I would recommend it to everyone who has children as a party gift, for example. It's great. That's it for today's video. Today we reviewed Neru 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 Ne, a Japanese DIY candy. I hope you liked it. Let's meet again next time for another Doki Doki experience. Don't forget to like and subscribe this video. Ciao!